Today is golf day, and we found the Agate Beach Golf Course, and Kurt is warming up on the green. It's a lovely day. I mean, really lovely day. It's supposed to be like 71 today out here during the day. We packed ourselves up a lunch, and we're gonna have a good golfing day. Here he is, Mr. Golfy. Pretty nice course here.
It's nice.
Yeah.
We need to do something to get rid of these yellow flowers on it.
Yeah. They need to do some trimming. But not. This is a 500-yard par 5 hole here. Kurt's on his third stroke. All right, we are on the last hole, number 9. Look at that. It's 448 yards. It's a par 5 on this one. Number 8 was 115 yards, but it was on this very steep hill. It's funny to watch that one go. Anyway, there he is. This is Michelle looking bored at the laundry room, and they have lots of machines. They have yet another app. This one is called the One Tap Away app. So that is number 5 app that I've had to download to my phone and load with money in order to do laundry while we're on the road. Interestingly enough, most of these are at Thousand Trails parks or Encore parks. Anyway, there you have it. It's laundry day. It's a necessary evil before we hit the road and start doing 1- and 2-day stops.